Good morning, class. Before we start our lesson, let us start with an opening prayer. So, who is our prayer leader for today? Okay, thank you, Miss Kimberly Tumale. But before you sit down, please pick up some papers in your area. So, palihog og tanaw sa inyong palibot og naabay mga sagbot. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now, can you sit down? Okay, class, have you seen dancers performing on stage? That's good to hear. Now, what do you notice when they perform on stage? What do you notice in their body and movement? All right, now let us try a simple activity. First, stand up and form a 5 line in a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, now let us check your pulse. So, tanawa si teacher asa makita ang pulso. Okay, what have you noticed in your pulse? Hinay. So hinay jud siya kay wala pa man ta nilihok. So karon dapat namulihok ta para mahibaw-an nato kung unsa ka paspas ato ang pulso. Are you excited? That's the spirit. Now let's begin. Okay, now let us start our activity with an exercise. So please follow us. The first step is in head part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Class, today we will learn the 5 fundamental positions in arms and feet in dance. These positions are important because they are the foundation of all dance movements. So, I will demonstrate first and you will follow me after. Here's the first position. Then ano is tupos niya sa inyong puso. Then inyong front is dapat nakayanin siya dili makitaan. Then so this is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, then back. Then balik sa first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, then back to the first position. So let's try everyone. Wow, very good. So let's proceed to the feet. Okay, for our feet movement, first is we have our first position. So ang atong feet is, we must form a letter B. Dapat siya naka 45 degrees like this. And then, our second position is, atong isunod ang atong pikas feet, put diri sa pikas ni side. So this is our second position. And our third position is like this. And our fourth position is natoy mag-point ang atong left, right foot. Atong i-point. Then the fifth position is like this. And then back to first position. And then ano na po itong aside? First position, second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position, and back to first position. Are you ready? Let's try it. Very good. You have demonstrated it so well. So how about we will do it together with our hands and our feet? Are you ready? Let's go. So class, please prepare 1/4 sheet of paper and listen to the direction carefully. Direction. Write the correct answer in your sheet of paper. Number 1. Position where heels are together and toes are apart. Number 2. Position where feet are apart sideways. Number 3, position where one foot is in front with space. Number 4, position where arms are extended sideways. And number 5, position where both arms are raised overhead.
Now, for your assignment, practice the 5 positions at home in front of a mirror and be ready to demonstrate it in our next class. Okay? Before we go home, please stand up and let us have our closing prayer. Amen. Thank you, everyone, and see you into our next class. Bye!